In this video, I'm gonna share with you the template I use to write my email marketing welcome sequences. Keep in mind that you can use this template not only to write your welcome sequence, but also to write sequence to keep your audience entertained and curious. Hi, Vanessa here and welcome to my channel where you don't only learn how to make money online, but how to build digital estates so you can live your own version of laptop lifestyle. Okay, my friend, as promised, let's go over the welcome sequence. These are the first emails you're gonna send to introduce yourself. You want to make them feel that they know you. So you're gonna start with a backstory. You want your backstory to relate with your audience. A backstory that connects with them. Bring up situations, feelings, those little details that people read and think, whoa, I know the feeling. I went through the same situation. Next, you want to bring the opportunity. What changed at all for you? Introduce the opportunity to them. What was the turning point for you? The aha moment. Then the struggle. Here's the thing. With a new opportunity, you're creating new challenge. Are you with me? For example, you're tired of public transportation and you want to buy a car. When you buy it, now you need to learn how to drive, how to park, how to take care of it. You need to pay for insurance. Things you didn't have to worry before when you didn't have a car. So you want to describe what you went through. That you tried, but things were not working, you got depressed, you spent hours with no results, you thought about quitting many times. Tell them the emotional struggle. Here's where people can relate with you. So give them reasons, excuse that people can relate. You want to touch your audience in an emotional level. After the struggle, it's time to overcome the problems. It was when you saw the light at the end of the tunnel. You found the solution. You can even mention the product. But the goal is not to sell yet. It's just to tell your story, how you got where you are, how people can also achieve their goals like you did. Does it make sense? So now that you told them your backstory, how you found the opportunity, that it was not easy, that you had some struggles, but you were able to overcome, it's time to prepare them for the sales. Now it's when you start with your broadcast emails and preparing them for your affiliate offer. So if you haven't yet, check it out, affiliate marketing, email marketing video, where I go over the 3 types of sequence that successful affiliate marketers use to warm up their audience and make sales even when they are not working. Make sure to like this video if you got any value from it and subscribe to my channel for more tips to how to build digital estate. Vanessa here and I'll see you in my next video.